Unong tauan ke All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma ubadairu Menteri Rangba Barim Jangajala ulaong. Baga jing Weng kam kendet yaki Ophisar ke Meghalaya Lokayukta ke pentharai baga don ke Jingthmu Buit-Poh panburi eki kam bamsap ki bertokit da ke Lokayukta. Habakran sikilat patai kubor uniu noy alam ulaong bahaban ngam jeliu Balei bala Weng yaki niki Ophisar pada ke jing shisha lariban Ailad bakan Treikam Laitluid.
What is the intention? Intention is more important. You have to be more analytical, you have to be more investigative, then you will have your answer. What is the intention? Was there any malafide intention behind? Was there any reason which necessitated the government to change people? You know that Lokayukta is doing its job. Number of issues of corruption has been already taken up by Lokayukta. So you can understand the magnitude of responsibilities and therefore, magnitude of responsibility of everybody concerned. What is the purpose of Lokayukta? The whole state wanted, at least something which should be acting as deterrence. Therefore, allow it. Allow it to function to its full potentiality. Let everybody at least realizes the existence of the deterrence. Now, if it doesn't perform, who will fear the law? Therefore, fear for law is crucial, and the enactment of law is precisely for that purpose, to ensure that there is ultimate end result of enabling people to self-regulate. When there's a fear for law, people will all self-regulate.